Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard for investing. First, understand that Vanguard focuses on low-cost index funds and ETFs, which can be a great way to build wealth over time. Next, you'll need to open an account, such as a Roth IRA or a brokerage account, depending on your financial objectives. Then, fund your account with an initial deposit, perhaps $3,000 or more, to get started. Finally, select your investments. For a straightforward approach, many investors find success with a single broad market index fund, or ETF. These funds, like the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, provide exposure to thousands of companies, offering excellent diversification. Their expense ratios are incredibly low, often less than 0.1%, meaning more of your money stays invested. This simple strategy is often considered a highly effective way to invest for the long term. To open your Vanguard account, navigate to their official website and follow the prompts. You will need to provide some personal details for verification purposes, including your social security number and address. Next, link your bank account to facilitate easy deposits and withdrawals. This step is crucial for funding your investments. Finally, carefully review all your selections before confirming to ensure everything aligns with your financial plan. Once your account is set up, consider establishing automatic contributions to invest consistently over time, perhaps $200 monthly. Periodically review your portfolio's performance, maybe once or twice a year, to ensure it still meets your goals. If your asset allocation drifts significantly, rebalance your holdings to bring them back to your desired percentages. Staying informed about your investments is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.